I have a quick question. Bobby, how much do you like Evos?
What?
Can I go buy another one?
Baby, no.
Please?
No Evos.
It's blue.
What do you mean?
I found another Evo I want to buy. Can I get it? I think I'm still gonna get it. Goodbye.
Baby.
What?
What are you talking about?
So Bobby agreed to let me get the new car. Not only.
Well, I kind of woke up from my nap and Devin just said he's gonna go get it. After I said he has too many cars.
So not only that, she's also letting me steal Gary. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I kind of just stole it. I'm gonna go meet up with Jared right now. Jared and I are gonna head out and go check out this new whip. Hopefully it's somewhat decent. If it's not, I'll try to zoom him down. If I can't get a good deal, I'll just pass.
Well, I guess this is all she wrote.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, honey.
Okay. That was loud. I need a GTR so bad. I love it, bro. What's up, Devin? Hello, sir. Should we do it?
Yeah, you didn't even tell me what car you're getting.
All right, bro. Guess what I'm buying?
My intuition is to say STI, or an Evo.
Fair enough. Another Evo, bro.
I'll shit if it's a GTR.
It's not GTR.
Okay. Is it a Supra?
No, it's another Evo.
A 10 or a...
No, he says it's a 9, but I think it's an 8, judging by the photos. So I have a really bad habit of buying cars in the dark. The car that we are going to check out right now is in Boise, Idaho, which is like 6 hours away from Spokane. And as you can see, the sun is currently going down, but we stopped at this little lookout, and I want to do a little video shoot of the STI. Dude, this looks nutty.
Hello?
Yo, what's up, man? I'm here.
Yeah. Are you next to the car or?
What was that?
Where? Yeah, exactly.
Are you at a car dealership?
Yeah, I'm behind the Rusty's Retro. It's an old antique shop.
Okay, I'll look for you there.
Drive it right back behind the store and then the car's right here, so.
Okay, sounds good. I'll look for you.
Alright.
Rusty's Retro. It looks like a Rusty's Retro. Oh, there's an Evo. Alright. Okay. Nice and dirty. What's up, man? Good, how are you? Devin.
It's clean, though.
I wish it was clean so I could check out the body better. I like the blue. It's so dirty. I hate looking at cars at night. How long have you had it for?
I just did alternator too.
Oh, you did? Yeah, that's always fun on me.
I watched your YouTube video.
Oh, no way.
I was like, shit, did I have some Jackson shit?
Do you see any dents?
Dude, I cannot stand looking at cars in the dark. I don't see anything crazy, like any crazy body damage. Peeling clear, maybe peeling actual color or something going on.
There's a little scratch right here.
Okay. Alright. Needs a JDM bumper anyway.
Yeah. I just hate how much it costs to build these things, you know?
Yeah, compared to Hondas, they're kind of expensive.
And you put like 10 grand in the Honda and that shit's like 1,000 horsepower.
Hey, it's better than Subaru that. 10 grand on that gets you like 200 horse. Definitely a different color door. Something's been sprayed.
Yeah.
Is it the fender?
The fender's off, yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it definitely is. It's not terrible.
No.
A few little issues. get this here locally?
What?
Did you get this car
This?
locally?
Yeah, I got it from a buddy. He lives in Boise, but I think he got it from Wyoming or something like that.
Yeah, okay. It's not bad at all. You have a title here?
Yeah.
Want to check it out real quick?
Yeah.
Cool. Might have to take it for a spin?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go see how slow it is.
Let's go rip it. Make sure you latch the hood, bro.
Right? This reminds me just like my old Evo 9 MR 6-speed life. Oh, she's missing a knob, bro. Oh, it's actually broken. Huh.
That's at least $1,000 off the asking price.
Oh, easily. It's not bad. It's actually cleaner than I thought.
Yeah, it is pretty clean on the interior.
A few little panels mismatched. ABS lights on. It's not bad though, like body wise. But once again, it's dark.
Yeah,
And
bro.
it's
I mean, why don't you take it to a parking lot with bright ass lights in it real quick?
I will. It's a good idea. Power steering's wonk. Wow. Oh yeah, she definitely needs some mechanical love.
Yeah,
Drives like butt.
a little bit clunky.
Oh lord, some squishy suspension as well. Shiny feels solid though. PSI. That's all she's got, which is good. At least it's not turned way up.
Yeah, you're not over boosting. We lost a strut back there.
Yeah, there's a strut on the road. Wow, still can't tell, it's so dirty.
Oh yeah, that panel's way different. Look at it.
It is, yeah. A lot better.
Yeah.
Other than that, like, wings definitely been sprayed as well, but a little wet, nothing crazy. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Colors are a little off, but that's could be way worse.
Oh yeah, could be way worse. Hello?
Low life.
Not really. Looks stock suspension to me. Alrighty, brother. What are you thinking on price? There's a few things I don't like about it. ACD doesn't work. ABS light. Obviously mismatched colors, and
What do you think?
just because the ACD, I know it's gonna take a little bit to fix. Have you noticed that? All three lights are on.
Yeah, I drove it like maybe like 3-4 times once. Yeah, to the store and back. Yeah. If it's not fast, I'm not gonna drive it.
Alright, do it.
I'll take a picture with this guy.
What's your name, bro?
Raw.
I'm Devin. Good to meet you, man. Another Evo.
Another
Do you watch
one,
the
bro.
channel?
All the time, man.
What's dope? What do you drive?
I used to drive the SPD Concepts giveaway car,
Oh, no way.
but then I got T-boned downtown,
Yeah?
Boise, Idaho.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but like I'm a big fan, man. I watch you all the time, bro.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate that.
Man, good luck, bro. Are you gonna record it on like?
Yeah.
Bro, ever since like 6-7 hours ago when you guys were calling,
Uh-huh.
I was like, wait, who's buying it? He's like, this dude. I was like, wait a minute, no way, he's coming here. And then I was like, dude, he's coming here, and I'm like so excited just to take one picture with you, if that's
I got
okay.
you.
Man, thanks, man.
Another Evo.
Right. I promised Bobby I wouldn't do this anymore. And here we are.
Probably told her you're buying a GTR. You're gonna come back with that thing.
Bro, so excited to see you, man.
Good to meet you, bro.
Good to meet you too.
Awesome,
Alright.
man.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
What have you done, bro?
I don't know. Another Evo for the boys.
How the boys?
Another Evo for the boys.
More Evo cold starts. That's exciting though.
It's actually pretty clean. All right, so this is what we ended up with. Another Evo. So this is a 05 Evo 8. It is a MR, so it is the 6-speed, but it's electric blue and it's actually pretty clean. A little bit cleaner than I originally expected it would be.
Ooh, she's not.
All right, what should we do? What should we do with it, bro? I honestly don't even know the plan for this car. I was literally sitting on Facebook earlier and it popped up on one of the groups I'm a part of for a reasonable price. And I was like, okay, I might as well go buy it. I've never had an electric blue or like a nice, shiny, bright blue car before. And I'm really excited. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. I just found it and I can't say no to a good deal. So that's the whole reason I bought it. I really hate looking at cars in the dark, especially when it's this dirty. But overall, it does look like it's a pretty decent shape. There's a few things I've noticed. This fender is definitely a little bit different color, as you guys can see. And then, what else is there? This roof trim is pretty beat up. So I'll definitely have to get that swapped out. But other than that, body-wise, it's pretty decent. Interior is actually super clean, no tears or rips or anything. Climate control knob is broken off, so I'll have to fix that. ACD system is down, so we'll have to get that up on the road. But other than that, not bad at all. I hope you guys aren't too disappointed in me for buying another Evo. I'm sure you can understand. If you're a car person and a good deal pops up, you know it's really hard to say no. So this is a new ride. Hope you guys enjoy it. Jared and I have a 6-hour drive back to Spokane now.
It'll be fun. We're monstered up though, we're good.
So I am going to end out this video here unless obviously we break down in the middle of the night because it's 1:20. We're gonna get home at like 7 a.m. It's 1:30 right now.
I got some energy though. I was taking naps, bro. I'm good.
We're gonna hit the road. I'll see you guys tomorrow.